Okay, UD truck. Okay, very big truck. Okay, this one. This is a very gigantic truck. Okay, so now I remove the radio. I have to remove the radio. Okay, so this one has got a screen like this. See, maybe your flat screen. Okay, you see the flat screen. So the first thing I do is just I use the flat screwdriver like this. With this flat screwdriver, I just plug it out like this, yeah. And from here, start from here, slowly. Then I remove all this one too, yeah. And then I remove a little bit inside this one too. And I bring this cover down a little bit like this. I will cover down a little bit, okay, like this, okay. And then you have the screw. You see the screw there. You will be able to see the screw in this bottom here. You see, one there. Just one there, one here. Which is like this. Okay, and then just two more on the top. Right. You see the screen two on the top. Just one more here. See one here. There's one here. I removed already, so there's some screw. See the same screw like this. For the top screw, I just like this, or you can use normal test spanner. And then see, you come like this. See now, come like this, okay. Okay, then you can unplug the back. So this is how you can remove this radio on UD truck, okay.